My name is Mario Vargas. I'm the manager of product development tool sales for P80T, and this will be a how-to series on the various products that we represent for Stratasys, beginning with the U-Print, the desktop device, to the workgroup Dimension devices, and the direct digital manufacturing Fortis devices. Today our segment is going to be on the Dimension line of Stratasys products, and we're going to talk about loading and unloading material. So the first thing you'll want to do is come up to the display and note the amount of model and support material on the display. Then you want to hit load material, and it'll ask you if you want to unload the model material first, so you just hit yes, and then it'll ask you as well on the support material, and you're going to hit yes. So we waited about 2-3 minutes, and you heard a little click noise. If you kind of let it go a little longer, you can come back and hit retry, and then still allow you to unload it. So unloading it, you're going to push in, and then you're going to pull out. This happens to be the model material, so you're going to pull that out slightly, leaving that there. And then you're going to do the same thing for the support material. Just lightly pulling that. And to kind of store this material, you don't want to push that back in. You want to just cut off the end on both cartridges. And then a good habit is to write down on maybe the label here the amount of material that was shown on the display. So the material will come in these white cartons. I'm going to pull out the model material first. You'll notice a red stopper here. You want to turn that and pull that off. And then you'll see the material with a small little tape at the end here. You want to roll this wheel out slightly, and that'll pull the material out, and just cut that end and just leave that little segment. And you're going to do the same thing with the support material. So you're going to remove this red stopper and rotate that little wheel out. Then you'll cut that little end, same thing, and those are ready to load in the device. Take the cartridges, and first thing you want to see is you have the support material on the label and the color of the material. And then here on the device, you'll see the S for support. You're going to lay that in there, and then the model material, of course, is white, and then of course it'll say model on the label, and you'll put that in there. So we waited a little bit. You're going to hit retry, or just if it doesn't have retry, it's allowing you to insert the cartridges. You're going to push those right in place.
Okay, here at the display you're going to see load and replace. You're going to want to hit load.
The print head will move forward, and you can hear the material being pulled into the head, and then the head will go back to its home position. And a very important step is to see it purge. You actually visually see it purge.
If you look inside the build area, you'll notice the print head. So what you see here is the purging of the white material, the model material, and then of course the support material, which is the darker material. The other thing you'll notice is they are dumped into a little trash bin. Occasionally you want to take that out and empty it, and then put it back in there.
After you see it purge, visually see it purge, you're going to hit yes, but it gives you the option of hitting no or purge again. So let's hit yes. And here you're ready to go. Thank you for watching our segment on the loading and unloading of the Dimension materials. I'm Mario Vargas, and we'll see you again.